I think this is a generic mindset that the companies have. They're like, it's a general assumption that to get on an analytical journey, you need to first have a clean data to start with. But honestly, it works the other way around. The only way you get to a cleaner data is to be able to shine on it through analytics. So when you start analyzing the data, the gaps, the inconsistencies, errors are naturally going to surface, and that visibility is what actually drives data quality. Without it, you're just cleaning in the dark. And when you have that canvas in front of you and say, this part or this department has, everything looks in place. However, this particular section does looks like things are going a little bit here, there, everywhere. So when people start seeing that bigger picture, they realize what the data entry, how it impacts to bigger picture when senior leadership needs to start making decision on it. That's when I think the behavior starts actually changing.